video, I'm going to share with you a really quick and easy way to add YouTube videos onto your Google slide. What you're going to do is you're going to select Insert. You're going to scroll all the way down and select Video. Right here, you're going to type in the video of your choice, and I'm going to type in 10-minute timer. If you know exactly the link of the video, then you can search it there. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to select this and select it. And the great thing is you can adjust the size of it by pulling onto the blue little squares, or you can go over here to your right and you can change the size by typing in a dimension. So let's say I want it 4 inches by 4, and I could make it so it auto plays when presenting, or I could make sure it's on mute on audio. And I could make it so it starts at a specific time and ends at a specific time, but I just want to keep it the way it is. I'm going to leave it right there. So then when I go on View and Present, so easy.